Hello everyone, my name is Shay and thank you for tuning in today as we learn about the topic resources. Remember to follow me on Instagram at savvyshay_tt. Subscribe, comment, and like.
Before we begin, let us discuss the objectives for this lesson. 1. To define resources. 2. Classification of resources. And 3. List the different types of resources.
You need to know what are resources. So, resources are basically anything that you have or you need to help you achieve your goal. So, resources. There are basically two types of resources.
Human resources are important. They provide the basis for accomplishing goals. Human resources include the qualities of the individual along with other resources which cannot be used by themselves. Examples of human resources are knowledge, intelligence, ability, skills, faith, and love. The other type of resource is non-human resource. Material, or also known as non-human resources, are tangible things that can be used to achieve a goal, and it is external to the individual but are possessed. And this is broken down into three aspects. 1. Material possessions, and examples of these are vehicle, house, clothing, tools, or money. 2. Community resources. Examples of these are schools, churches, parks, libraries. And 3. Natural resources, and examples of these are air, water, and land. Point to note, there is the exception to the rule, which is time. Time is both a human and non-human resource. No one human resource can be used to achieve our goals. Let us suppose you have a meal to prepare. Although the ingredients might be available, you would need human resources like your skills, knowledge, and intelligence to read the recipe and follow the directions in order for it to be completed within a time frame. In addition, your attitude, creativity, and interest, and the way you attractively present your meal makes it a human resource. Time can also be considered a non-human resource, as it is a commodity or resource to which we all have equal share of 24 hours per day. It simply means once you are living, you are afforded or given 24 hours in one day. You cannot barter it, nor can you buy it. So time lost can never be regained. It goes on whether an individual lives or dies. Now to summarize what we have learned. We have unlimited wants, but resources are limited. Once some resources, such as money, time, or water, are used, their supply no longer exists. There is a limit to their availability. Skills and knowledge are limited in some ways. When one uses a skill, it is not used up. It even increases or develops with use. One becomes more of an expert at it. However, these skills are limited by the expertise that has been acquired and the time and energy available to use them. Resources are something that you have that can be used, or a supply of something that will take care of a need. When we exercise good management, we are using the resources wisely to achieve the goals we set. So consider the resources that you have within yourself before you say you cannot achieve something because it is not within your reach. We all have resources, whether it may be human or non-human, but we have to be able to use it in order to achieve the goals that we set.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you will learn something and it will be beneficial for you in your life. Just remember that every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning so that you can keep growing. Bye for now.